Okay, so today we're going to look at how to calculate the price elasticity of demand. Okay, so that's what we want to do, right? Simply calculate the price elasticity of demand. Again, in order to do that, we have to know the formula. The formula of price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand is simply equal to the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in price. And we can simplify that. Now, most of the YouTube videos out there will show you the following formula. Eraser, sorry. Show me the following formula, right? Which is simply change in Q over change in P multiplied by P over Q. Okay, so there are many ways to show it, right? And by the way, this is for the point elasticity of demand, not the arc elasticity of demand. This textbook uses the point elasticity of demand, right? I didn't show it this way, but there are many ways to show these things. So what we're going to do is simply follow the example I gave you in the lecture slides. Okay, so let's put that aside. We're going to calculate the price elasticity of demand. We know that. Okay, so we can expand what we know, right? The percentage change in quantity demanded is simply going to be the new quantity minus the old quantity divided by the old quantity multiplied by 100. Okay, so I'm simply breaking up this formula over here into two. The first one, the percentage change in quantity, which is this over here, and then the second one, the percentage change in price. Okay, so we've got the percentage change in quantity demanded. I'll put that over there, and now we do the percentage change in price. Same story. Percentage change in price is simply going to be the new price minus the old price divided by the old price multiplied by 100. Okay, so now we have got both of our formulas that we want to use. Okay, we've got this one over here, we calculate, and we've got this one over here, and we calculate, and once we have the figures, we simply put them in here, and we get our price elasticity of demand. So let's look at some figures. Okay, so I'll just create some figures. Let's say you're the owner of a business. You have your current price at $10. Okay, current price at $10. So I will say that's your old price because we're going to have a new price, $10. And currently you sell 100 units of a product. Now you want to increase your price to $15. You know you will end up selling less because of the law of demand. You will sell 80 units. Now you want to make as much money as possible, so the question is, should you do this? Okay, should you end up increasing your price? Okay, so we're going to use these figures, and we're going to use these figures here, and we're going to plug them into these two formulas over here. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is we're going to take this formula over here, and we're going to use our information on quantity, the old quantity of 100 and the new quantity of 80. Okay, and we're going to ask ourselves, what is the percentage change in quantity demanded? Okay, so no biggie. What is the new quantity? New quantity is 80. Old quantity is 100 divided by the old quantity, 100 multiplied by 100 minus 20 over 100 times 100 minus 0.2 times 100, and the percentage change in quantity demanded is going to be minus 20%. Okay, so we solved the first bit, minus 20%. We put this back there. We can just put this somewhere over here. And now we're simply going to bring this one over here, percentage change in price. There we go, percentage change in price. And we're going to use the information over here on price. Okay, so what do we know? The new price is $15. The old price is $10. Divide by the old price times 100. 5 over 10 times 100. 0.5 times 100. And the percentage change in price is going to be 50%. Okay, we increased price by 50% and quantity demanded fell by 20%. So I will just put that over there, put this back over there, and we'll come back to this formula over here now. Okay, so the price elasticity of demand is the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in price minus 20 over 50 equals minus 0.4, or in absolute terms 0.4, right? So this is our answer. Right? This is our answer so far. We have calculated the price elasticity of demand, and we found that the price elasticity of demand is minus 0.4, or in absolute terms 0.4. The question is, what does that mean? Right? What does that mean? Well, law of demand. You increase the price, you lower the quantity demanded. Right? What the price elasticity of demand does, it tells you by how much. In this situation, you increase the price by 1%, and you will decrease the quantity demanded, so decrease, negative, by 0.4%. Right? Go down by 4%. Right? So that's what it means. Okay, so that's our law of demand. Okay, in this case, the figure that we have in absolute terms, 0.4, means that the price elasticity of demand is inelastic. Price elasticity of demand is less than 1 in absolute terms. Okay, this basically means, in simple English, big change in price leads to a small change in quantity demanded. Okay, in this situation, if I was to ask you, should you increase your price? Right? So I have to ask you, if you increase your price, you know you're going to get less customers, but are you going to make more money? Well, we go to total revenue. Remember, what is total revenue? Total revenue is equal to price times quantity. Total revenue is price times quantity. So we simply calculate total revenue in the old situation and in the new situation. In the old situation, your old total revenue was equal to your old price multiplied by your old quantity. So that was $10 and 100 customers, and your total revenue used to be $1,000. Now you increase the price, and you lose. Now we get the eraser, and you lose some customers. Right? You raise the price to $15 and you only have 80 customers, but that is $1,200. Okay, so you should increase your price if the price elasticity of demand is inelastic. Okay, and that's pretty much it.